What's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mia, and we here with a Sheetz car mukbang, dog. Yes, y'all. So this is the first time I had Sheetz, or is going to have Sheetz. Okay. I don't know. Have you ever had Sheetz? Let me know. Drop it in the comments below. Yeah. So I ended up getting the ultimate burger, the mozzarella sticks. I got fancy, okay? And I also got the barbecue sauce, the Dr. Pepper barbecue sauce. Got a little fancy on that. And I ended up getting their little curly fries or whatnot. So when I pulled up, before I even get up into it, y'all. Oh, I'm hungry first and foremost. To let y'all know. Before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to do me a thing real quick. Smash that like button. That's it. That's it. Let me know if y'all had Sheetz. That's all I'm saying to y'all. Period. So pulled up, and I'm like, okay, is somebody gonna say, how can I take your order? So like the longer I look, I realize, you're supposed to push the button. They got like a screen where you order yourself, which is really nice. Them fries is real good. You know how you say your blessing now? Let me say my blessing real quick. Alright. Them fries is real good though. So then I pulled up. The dude, he said something. I was like, what did you say? He said it again. I'm like, what? I feel like I'm my AirPod in. It was like, I was like, forget it. Alright, so we're going to dive into this burger right here. Let's take a look at it. That's a nice little view. Let me do my little thumb nizzle. My nizzle. Alright, so we got a thumbnail. I'm going to put me some little barbecue sauce up on here. Let me taste this barbecue sauce, the Dr. Pepper barbecue sauce. Let's see what it tastes like. That's pretty spicy. It's real good though. Spicy. Alright. So this burger over here looking like a school burger. But we're gonna see what it's tasting like. I got me a Pepsi. It really don't taste like no Pepsi to me, but okay. Alright. This is really good though. This sauce, it is good. This burger right here has like mozzarella sauce, you know, the marinade. Sauce on there, got some cheese, probably the mozzarella, got the mozzarella stick, 3 of them, and the hamburger. This is bussin'. And that what your kids say? This is really good. So I should have ate it like this, but I ate it where I got the mozzarella stick long ways. Oh well. I get on the same way, you feel me? Happy Friday though. It is Friday. What's the date? The 24th? I don't know when y'all gonna see this though. I'll probably drop it soon. Because y'all just been I just been on them reaction videos. Not to say my channel is turning into a reaction channel. No, it's not. I told you. I do it all this way. But if you know, you know. Period. These fries is good. You know what? Okay, Sheetz. This is my eating gas station for 24 hours over at Sheetz. I won't be mad at it. These little onion rings, not onion rings, but curly fries, sappy tappy, and a little spicy sauce, sappy tappy. Yes. Hope you had a good week. What I did this week? I had my first YouTube interview. That was mad dope. I'm gonna make sure I drop that in the link so y'all can check it out. It was like an hour and a half, right? That time went by so fast. Like when you have a good time, like time flies. For real. It was a good time. So my first YouTube interview was a success. I was honored to even want to get interviewed. I laughed, I cried. Yeah, it was the whole vibe for real. So that happened. Really, this week just flew by. I'd be so busy. I don't know what day is which, you know. I'm like, oh yeah, Friday. It is coming up. It is tomorrow. When people are like, oh yeah, Friday, that's tomorrow. Yeah. This Sheetz is busting though. I can't believe it took me so long to even have it. I should have been had Sheetz. Then you got so many, you know. They got Sheetz all over the place. They built them on every corner. Like, who owns Sheetz? They got some bread. But whoever owns them, I'm glad they blessed us with Sheetz, okay? Because this is some really good food. I would eat Sheetz over McDonald's. What? Is Sheetz about to run McDonald's out of business? Y'all, I'm done with McDonald's. When I heard somebody told a story about they found a chicken nugget under their daughter's bed, and the chicken nugget was not molded or nothing. It was just like hard. And not even the dog wanted it. Like if the dog don't want it. A chicken nugget, y'all. If dogs don't want that other chicken nugget, there's something wrong. So ever since I heard that, I was like, yeah, I'm not even going to feed my girls no McDonald's no more. Probably just the fries. I'm not no chicken nugget. Because I was going to sit here and really lie and say, I was going to lie. No. Let's take that out, because I ain't going to lie to y'all. But I was really going to sit here and say my girls haven't had McDonald's, but they have had the, what's it called? The fries. The apple juice. You can at least have that. That was a great selection. This is really good. It's filling. Ooh, I'm getting full, y'all. But I gotta hurry up. So I go pick up my babies. I'm trying to figure out what we're going to get into. It's Friday. It's Friday, and I'm ready to swing. Pick up my girls and hit the party scene. Alright. Alright. I'm done with those fries. They was really good. My last bite of my burger. All right. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching me eat.
Really, nigga?
If you ain't ever been to Sheetz, and you got a Sheetz, you better go try you some Sheetz. You will not be disappointed, okay? You will not be disappointed. All right, guys, I'm going to catch you on the next video. Bye.